Do you want to develop a standout resume for your MBA applications? If so, don't miss this video. My name is Laura Nelson. I'm an MBA admissions consultant at Target Test Prep with 15 years of experience. The MBA resume should showcase your achievements across your professional experiences, your education, along with your volunteering experience and extracurriculars. All too often, I see resumes that discuss the day-to-day responsibilities of an MBA candidate's job. These aspects of a candidate's job do have a place in the MBA application. However, they don't belong in the resume. They belong in what we call the data form, or the short answer questions in the application itself. Instead, the MBA resume should really highlight achievements. It should show where you've driven impact professionally and highlight your results using metrics wherever possible. Use the ACR format for each of your bullet points. That's action, context, and results. Every bullet point should start with a strong verb detailing the action taken. Then it should be followed by the context of the achievement. Finally, it should lead to that result. Not all bullet points will include a measurable result, and that's totally okay. Think of other ways to describe that result. If you'd like to discuss how to develop your resume for top MBA programs, request a free MBA admissions consultation from Target Test Prep.